Welcome to my studio. Today's feature is a beautiful human hair wig by WigShe. I'm going to get into the cap construction and everything about it. And what's most exciting, it's affordable. Come with me and let's begin. Welcome. Let's face it, when we all came into this world of wigs, either through losing our hair or whatever our situation may be, we wanted to always go out and get a human hair, right? That's what I wanted to do. But the prices for the human hair wigs are so expensive. So I didn't have a choice. My first few wigs were synthetic fibers, until I discovered this wonderful company called WigShe. You are not going to believe that their wigs are 100% biological hair, and they're affordable. Yes, they're just as expensive as some synthetics, but they're human hair fiber. I was so excited to learn this, that this is my second wig from this wonderful company. Now, let me give you a little information about the wig I have on. The color is actually blonde balayage, and it's wig 028. I'll put all the links below, plus a direct link that will take you right over to the company, plus a discount code so when you make your purchase. But it's beautiful. It's kind of an auburn with blonde streaks. It's 120% density. It also has this beautiful lace front. I don't know of a manufacturer that makes a wig with a lace front that is so tiny, the little lace front fabric. Normally, when you look up close, sometimes you can see the little holes, but this you do not see. In fact, the fibers are hand tied to the lace front, and as you can see, it looks like it's just growing right out of my scalp. So it looks all the more natural, right? But what's unique about this company is when you receive your wig in the mail, you'll get a long piece of the lace front. This way you can custom cut it so that it really fits your own forehead. And it goes all the way down temple to temple. There are ear tabs, of course, on either side, which you would use that to kind of adjust so that it's centered on your head. But the lace front is wonderful, and it fits your head, and it's so you don't need glue or anything to keep this on. Also, they send a wig grip with you, but I'll show you the cap construction for their wigs. I'm on these long trips, and I don't even need to wear a wig grip because of the way it's beautifully constructed. And let me show you. But first, when you open up the box, you'll find that they pack the wig in a beautiful satin case. And with travel, you always want to pack your wigs in satin because this preserves the fibers. But let's take a look, because the wig construction of what I'm going to show you is the same as the one I'm wearing, because I have two of these wigs now. I'm just so excited. Let me show you, first of all, the lace front. You see right here? And my fingers kind of through it right there. You see the lace front, okay? And you see how nice, it's all hand tied. So it's nice and firm, and it fits snug. But now for the secret of why I can get away with not wearing any kind of wig grip. At the nape, you have this comb. Do you see that will slip right underneath with my ponytail? Of course, you also have the nape area with the clips on either side that you can actually tighten it down around your neck. But here's the secret. On the temples, here's the combs that they have right on each side. One here and on the other side. These are similar to what we have in our toppers. It's these middle combs that you adjust it into your own hair. Hear that click? And then you click. And what that does, it grasps your own hair and just holds it nice and tight right there. So between either side of my temples and the back, the wig stays on perfectly. It does not move. I've shared with you what happens on my long trips with some of my wig grips is that I may be asleep. I don't know what it is, but it's like it slowly, they just starts to lift. Whereas this, no matter what I do, running around, touring, sightseeing, it stays solid. It's a snug and it stays solid. So this is an absolutely magnificent wig company. Quality is all I can say of making a human hair. All different lengths. This is 14 inches. But do go and visit and see these beautiful, beautiful styles. And please subscribe and put in the comments. Let me know if you yourself have a human hair wig and what your experience has been. I am kind of evolving from my synthetic wigs. I think I'm just going to stay in the biological hair, human hair area because it's just so also natural. So have a great day. Remember, always be kind. And always, always reach out to help other women who are experiencing hair loss and have ventured into this wonderful wig adventure. As I have always said, wigs are the new fashion statement. So whether you have hair loss or what the situation is, every woman should have a few in her repertoire. Have a great day.